This is our new 1978 Yamaha Chappy LB50. As you guys already know, we got an LB80 77. This one's the little brother, so to speak. It's in pretty good shape. The pedal thing is kind of weird for me, but the pedals function both as pedals, the pedal of the bike, and you can lock them in the foot peg position as they are now. But yeah, overall bike's in good shape. It's pretty much stock. 21 miles an hour is the fastest we could get it with the stock gearing. And this morning it had a 32 rear sprocket. The front's a 13. Still haven't touched that. But the rear had a 32, and I knocked it down to 28, and we've gotten it up to 25. So I'm gonna fire it up, and then we'll go for a quick ride. Made no tuning adjustments to it whatsoever. It smokes like crazy, which my Chappy did that, my LB80 did that before I swapped the pipe out. I don't know if it just burns off whatever's in the header or whatever, but it's a smooth running machine. Listen to it just chug along. I'm gonna put the GoPro on, we'll go for a ride. Hang on tight, this is a ripper. Do well going up hills with the gearing change. A little too slow to take out on the main road, so we'll stick to inside the neighborhood. Topped out here like 23. In its defense, it could probably use a little bit more gear because, I mean, it takes off quick. and then it's game over. So just like the LB50, we're going to do a few upgrades to this one. First thing is going to be to ditch the stock cylinder and go with the Polini 70cc kit. And then after that is the MLM Peoples Pipe. Same thing I have on the LB50. They're not in stock right now, so I'm going to have to run the stock pipe for the time being. Going to run the stock carburetor for a while and see what kind of performance. This thing doesn't have to be a screamer. It's honestly for my younger sister, so it doesn't have to be, I mean, top performance, but just something quicker than, you know, as you just saw, 23, 25 miles an hour. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.